Ever wondered about the significance of understanding joints and their movements in our bodies? Well, it's a fascinating topic, and one that can provide valuable insights into how we move, function, and live. Joints, in the simplest of terms, are the points of connection between bones. They provide the framework that allows movement and flexibility. Without them, we wouldn't be able to perform even the simplest of tasks, like picking up a cup of coffee or taking a leisurely walk in the park. Now, joints aren't all the same. They come in different types, each with its unique characteristics and functions. The first category is the fibrous joints, also known as fixed or immovable joints. These joints are held together by a dense fibrous tissue, and as the name suggests, they don't allow much movement. You can find these joints in the skull, where they hold the bones tightly together. Next up, we have cartilaginous joints. These joints are slightly movable and are held together by cartilage. An example of a cartilaginous joint is the spine. Each vertebra in the spinal column is connected to the next by cartilage, allowing a certain degree of movement and flexibility. Now let's move on to the most common and flexible type of joint, synovial joints. These joints, filled with synovial fluid, are fully movable and allow a wide range of motions. Think about the knee or the shoulder. These joints provide extensive movement thanks to their synovial structure. As we delve deeper into the world of joints, we find that synovial joints, the most common and flexible type of joint, come in several varieties. Let's explore some of these. First up, we have hinge joints. Imagine the hinge of a door, allowing it to swing open and closed, but not side to side. These joints, like those in the elbow and knee, function similarly, allowing movement in one direction. Next, we come to ball and socket joints. Picture a ball sitting within a cup-like socket. This design allows for all-round movement. You can find these joints in the hip and shoulder, enabling you to swing your arms and legs in various directions. Finally, we have pivot joints. These joints allow for rotation around an axis. Think of the joint between the first and second vertebrae of your neck that lets you turn your head side to side. These are just a few examples of synovial joints, each allowing for different types of movement. Understanding their structure and function helps us appreciate the complexity and versatility of our body's joint system. In the next section, we'll discuss the terminology of joint movement to give you a better understanding of how these joints operate. In scene number 4, we delve into a deeper understanding of joints. The key to this lies in the comprehension of the terminologies associated with joint movements. Flexion, a bending action, reduces the angle between two components. Extension, conversely, is an action of straightening that enhances the angle. Rotation refers to the motion of a bone spinning on its own axis. As we move on to scene 5, let's recap what we've learned so far. We've ventured into the compelling universe of joints, grasping their definitions and their different types. We've discovered that joints serve as the links between bones, and they are categorized into 3 primary types: fibrous, cartilaginous, and synovial. Each type exhibits a unique structure and role, influencing our overall motion. And we've also touched upon some fundamental terminology associated with joint movement, namely flexion, extension, and comprehending joints and their movements goes beyond just a scientific exploration. It's a journey into understanding our bodies, the way we move, and the way we exist. And let's not forget, each step we take, each gesture we make, and every movement we perform is a testament to the wonder that is the human body with its complex web of joints.